Welcome back. In my last lecture, we saw different population forecasting models. So in this lecture, we are actually going to see how we can solve for a given set of population for different decades. So here in the table, uh, these are the years given and these are the census data for the Nagpur city. For the Nagpur and our exercise here is to find out what will be the population of Nagpur city in 2041. So the data from 1951 to 2021 is given here. To start with, we are going to start with arithmetic model, arithmetic increase model. So arithmetic increase model is nothing but Pn is equal to P0 plus Nx. So here Pn is the population which we desire to find out, that is the population in 2041. P0 is nothing but the population of the last known census, that is 2021. N is nothing but the number of decades between present, so here present is 2021, and to the year where which we want to find the population, that is 2041. So number of decades is 2 here, and X represents arithmetic average of increase in population for known set of decades. So here are like 7 decades we are talking about. So average for 7 decades will be found. So let's see how we will proceed. Now here I have found out in the second column, in the third column, I have found out increase. So increase is nothing but the population in 1961 minus 1951. So how did I get this? So it is nothing but 69,000, 6,97,000 minus 4,91,000, which gives. So similarly, I have found out all this column, and then this column is summed up. So this is nothing but the sum of the increase in the population. And in order to find out the X, which is arithmetic average of the increase in population for the known number of decades. So X is nothing but 34,49,000 upon 7. So 7 is the known number of decades, which comes out to be around 3 lakh 49,857. Now we need to switch in all the values in this equation and get our answer. So Pn is nothing but the population in 2041. P0 here is 29 lakh 40,000 plus n is the number of decades from present to the future, that is 2 decades, because we want to find population for 2041 which is like 20 years from now. So that's why I'm writing 2 into X is nothing but 3,49,857. So this is nothing but 3,49,857. The answer comes out to be 36 lakhs 39,714. So 36 lakhs 39,714 will be the population of Nagpur city in 2041 as per the arithmetic increase method. Now let's see our next method, which is a geometric increase method. Geometric increase. So Pn is equal to P0 into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. So R is nothing but the geometric mean. So let me just explain you how to find out the R. So if you can see, this column is a extra column which I have added as compared to the arithmetic increase method. So this is nothing but the percentage increase. So 0.419 is, how did I get this? So increase is 20,000, 2,06,000. So 20600 divided by the base value, which was 4,91,000. Now if you multiply it by 100, you will get your answer in percentage, but I am keeping it in fraction. So 552. Similarly, 0.35, 0.3457 I obtained by upon. So for this increase, the base value is 6,97,000. Okay, so that is how these all values are found. Now how to find the final value of R? Now R is nothing but multiplication of all the values, that is 0.4195 into 0.345 into 0.39 into dot 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 dot. So all the 7 values have to be taken. So I'm writing the last value, which is 0.170. Now this, so the geometric mean of these 7 values will be the seventh root of the multiplication. So root 7 of multiplication of all these 7 values, which will give you 0.2789. This is nothing but your R. Now when we switch all the values into P0, remember that 1 plus R upon 100 is nothing but 0.2789, because if I change it into percentage, then I will have to divide it by 100, else there is no need. So 1 plus R upon 100 is nothing but 1 plus 0.2789 to the power n. N is nothing but 2. Now if I solve this here, P0 here is 29 lakhs 40,000 into 1.2787 to the power n. So n is nothing but 2. Please remember, this is n and n is nothing but 2. Now if you solve this, so you will get the answer 48,086,20. So around 48 lakh will be the population. So you can see, as we said, the geometric mean method is actually used to predict the population of new and younger cities which are growing at an exponential rate, and that's the reason why there is a huge difference in the population values as compared to arithmetic mean method and geometric increase method. Now going on to our next model, that is incremental increase model. So incremental increase model is nothing but Pn is equal to P0 plus Nx plus n into n plus 1 by 2 into y. So y is nothing but the average of increase average of incremental increase or average of increase in known decades. So basically the idea is how much increment is there on the increase. Now you can see, as compared to arithmetic increase method, I have this fourth column extra added. So this is the increase, this is the increase which we found out. Now this number was obtained by subtracting 2,06,000 from 2,41,000. And similarly, 1,34,000 is obtained by 3,75,000 minus 2,41,000, and that's how you get. So similarly, uh, we have to just subtract the increment from the preceding years, and that's how you get all these values. So this minus this, then this minus this minus this gives you this, then this minus this gives you this. Similarly, you can remember it in this way. And here you can actually see there are some values in negative. So many a times incremental increase can be in a negative direction also. This means that the city didn't see an increase in the population which came in, but rather it saw a depletion in the population. So this method takes care of that factor. And 2,23,000 is nothing but the average of all these values. And y is 2,23,000 is nothing but the sum of all the incremental increases. So in order to find out the average, just divide 2,23,000 upon 6. So you get 3,49,857, I guess. Now so once you obtain y, you have to switch all the values p0 plus nx. So p0 plus nx remains the same, which we found out, that is 36,39,714 plus n into n plus 1 by 2 into y. So this comes out to be 2 into 2 plus 1, n is 2, so 2 plus 1 3 divided by 2 into uh, this value here. And so answer, I will this will be, I keep it as a assignment, this incremental increase. So please find what exactly the answer you get, and comment your answer in the comment box. So this was the actual tutorial to how to apply different methods of population forecasting. Please kindly like, share and comment on the video. Thank you very much. Let's meet again.